We are on our way to the Owl Cigar Store in Canon City, Colorado. If you're visiting Canon City or if you're new to this area, this is certainly a hometown favorite you're going to want to visit. Hi, my name is Dana. I'm a realtor here in Canon City, Colorado, and this is my hometown. If you like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below to make sure that you don't miss out on any future videos of all the hidden gems our area has to offer. And if you're interested in moving to this area, I would be honored to help you with that transition. My contact information is below. Reach out to me anytime. Thank you for watching. We'll see you around town.